Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to send video file, audio file, PDF, or whatever type of file from your phone to your laptop with just your USB cable without any noise. So let's do it. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone file. So I'm going to simply click on here to click on files. Just like so, it takes me to my file manager right here. The first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my videos. And the next thing I'm going to do is to select the video I want to send from my phone to my PC. So having selected on the video, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on copy. Then I have to scroll down all the way down and make sure I look for download. Click on that. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on copy here. Successfully copy. Next thing we want to do is to go back to our file. So I'm getting to file now. We want to move photos. For me to do that, I simply click on images. Just like so. Then I'm going to select the images I want to move. This particular two images right here. I'm going to select on that. Then I'm going to click on this three slide dot at the top. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on copy. Just like so. Then I'll make sure I click on download folder and click on copy. Successfully copy. Next thing we want to do is to go back to the file. Then this time around, I want to transfer audio. So click on audio. Just like so. Then select the number of audio as much as possible. Click on these three dots. Click on copy. Then your download folder. Then click on copy here. Successfully copy. So this is how to move every file from your file manager on phone to the download file folder. Having done all this, next thing you need to do is to see how we can transfer all these files from our phone to our laptop with just our USB wire. So for you to do that, first thing first, you need to make sure you insert this port into your laptop, PC, USB section. Click on it just like so. Having clicked on that, next thing you need to do, you see this particular port right here, insert it on your phone port just like so. And then this is going to pump up. Make sure you click on file transfer just like so. Immediately you click on file transfer, it's going to be reflected on your PC. Next thing you want to do is to simply head over to your PC. So I'm going to go straight into my PC screen. Here we go. So this is my PC screen. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply open up a folder. So I'm going to click on here to open this particular folder. Now when you open a folder, you have to make sure you take note of the name of the phone you connect with PC. So right here in this tutorial, I'm using ITEL P55T. So I'm going to simply click on it. This is going to pop up and I'm going to see all the internal share storage of the ITEL phone. I'm going to select on the internal storage and press enter key on my keyboard. This is going to pop up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply head over to my download folder. So I'm going to click on download folder and press enter key on my keyboard. Then we have everything right here. Now, what we want to do here is to see how we can move this file from the download folder on my ITEL phone to my PC. First thing for, I'm going to simply create a new folder. I'll come to my PC right here. I'm going to right click and I'll go to new. Then I'll click on folder. Then I will call this one new file. Just like so. Then having named it, next thing I'm going to do is to locate all the files that I want to transfer, such as the picture, the audio, and the video. Right here, we have the video right here. I'm going to press Ctrl key down on my keyboard, select the picture, and select the picture, all the picture I want to send. Then I'm going to simply click on the Ctrl key down to select the audio, and click on the Ctrl key down also to select the PDF file, as you can see right here. Now, having done that, next thing I'm going to do is to simply right click on it, and I'm going to choose copy. Then I'll have to head over back to the new file right here, click on it, then I'll come to the new file, I will right click on it, and I'll make sure I click on paste. With that, all the file is going to paste successful onto my PC, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to move PDF file, video, audio, and any type of file document from your phone to your PC with just your USB cable without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to work best with your gadget. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.